Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to create a Salesforce Developer Edition account, full guide. Open the Salesforce Developer Sign-up page, then fill the registration form with your name, company, and a valid email. Choose a unique username and a strong password, accept terms, and complete any CAPTCHA or phone verification. Check your inbox for the activation email and click the link, then log in to explore your new Developer Edition org. After registering, look for the activation email and click the link to activate your account, then set up your security questions. If the email is missing, check spam or promotions and request a resend from the sign-up page. Complete phone verification if prompted, and record your username and password in a secure manager. Once activated, log in and follow the guided tour to start creating apps and testing Apex and Lightning components. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like to help me make more tutorials. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and long-term goals, and it pairs nicely with budgeting as you learn new career skills. Check the description for the link and any deals I mentioned, and consider grabbing a copy if you want a practical money guide. Now let's get back to the video. First, configure your org by enabling Lightning Experience and API features from setup, then review profile and permission settings to secure access. Install a sample app or unmanaged package to study objects, fields, and automation rules without affecting production. Create a test user to validate permissions and try building a simple Lightning component or flow. Regularly save changes, export metadata when needed, and use the free limits to practice development and integrations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.